Hi Mary, this is Sarah with Ryan SEO and Digital Marketing. I know you're busy, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is a marketing audit to show you how to get more traffic to your website and to get to the first page of Google. I'll go over 3 helpful tricks to get you there. The first thing we're going to look at is content. Google likes to see around 1,500 words on the home page, and your page is at 448 words. So we definitely want to get more content added. Another great tip is having your images named as keywords. This will actually help you rank for more keywords. Let's take a look at Reflections Dental Care. They are #1 organically for cosmetic dentist OKC. They have 1,244 words on their homepage. They also do have their images saved as keywords. So 2 great ways to get ahead of them would be adding more keyword-enriched content and having those images named as keywords. The next thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. We use a tool called Ahrefs to track our trust flow, power flow, backlinks, organic keywords, and organic traffic. We like to see our trust and our power in a ratio of 1, so 30 and 30 out of 100. You get your trust and your power from these 662 backlinks. Your website has 733 keywords, which is bringing 165 people to your website every month. This is Reflections. They're sitting at a 37 trust and a 24 power. Now to get this trust and this power from this 1.13 thousand backlinks, we can actually come in there and take the good backlinks and leave the bad ones behind. Their website has 1,000 keywords, which is bringing 642 people to their website every single month. The last thing we're going to talk about are citations. Now, a citation is anytime your business name, phone number, or address are listed on another website, such as Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, Yellow Pages, websites like that. You're currently sitting at 34 citations, and these contribute to your Google My Business. Citations aren't hard to get. They're just time consuming. You can find your Google My Business inside the map pack. They're fairly easy to rank and not super difficult to put together. You can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time and money, you can give me a call at 405-439-7951. All I ask for is a little feedback on this video. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.